Welcome to week 7, everybody. I just want to do a quick little review here, and I've got, actually I finally have the second edition of Design Drawing out here, and some really great questions have come up in studio, and this is good, really great time to review of what we've actually done. Just to take you through some of this stuff, we have learned plans and elevations, and we've learned the isometric drawing system in here, and we could have learned more of these, but we skipped to perspective, and these are all ways of conveying your design intent, which is essentially what makes you a designer. We've also talked about drawing scale, so this is on page 122 of your drawing. We've learned a little bit about scale. You'll learn more and more as you go along. And some people are actually asking about proper drafting techniques, and I'm going to review them as I do the next exercise. But on page 124, you are now becoming really aware of where your drawings could be a little better, could be a little crisper. And in this book, you can see, if you do just a nice little read through of this, you can sense that how we draw and how we keep our pencil sharp is going to be one of your happy things to do. Francis Ching also conveys different line weights and line types just to convey things about depth, and we've done a bit of a study in that. And now we are moving towards, you can see we've done these geometric constructions, so this is all there. Okay, back to what I was talking about. We are moving towards now conveying things in plan and elevation for the purposes of having something built. So more specifically, how does one actually convey what a door looks like, what a window looks like, the partition thickness, and that sort of thing. So we're getting prepared for that. Here we are, page 154. So this is what we're going to be studying. And we haven't forgotten about perspective yet at all. But what we're going to do is, rather than something from our imagination, we're going to take something from a very, very familiar space. And this is going to be a great exercise for you to take a look at something that that you have access to, visually have access to. We're not designing this and then having somebody build it. And you're going to be able to look at these proportions carefully and derive a freehand, what we're calling site measure or site plan, drawing of the plan, of the actual plan. With 2 doors here, we have the concrete columns, we have the windows on the side, and then from that, draw that elevation of the doors, the panel that comes across here, and also the height. This is now section information of these windows through here. And then from this information, once you have a good sense of what these proportionate relationships are, say from the height to the width, we will come up with a freehand drawing of that actual space. So it's all fun.